Today we're making this cheesy stuffed shell pasta bake with beef ragu sauce. We will need jumbo pasta shells, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, herbs, crushed tomatoes, red wine, beef mince, 1 carrot, 1 celery stick, fresh basil, and 1 onion. For this beef ragu sauce, first we need to cook the garlic with all the vegetables except for the tomatoes for about 15 minutes. Then add the mince and continue cooking. Then add the herbs, salt and pepper, tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, and red wine and simmer for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, cook the pasta according to packet instructions until al dente. Then prepare the fresh mozzarella and Parmesan cheese for topping. Fill the pasta shells with the beef ragu and place into a baking dish. Drizzle olive oil around the edges, top with cheese and bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and enjoy! Just look at how cheesy and saucy this turns out. This recipe is so easy and turns out absolutely delicious. Enjoy!